Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV. All right, let's begin. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Now, press the Home button on your remote and open Smart Hub. From here, go to Apps and then select Settings in the top right corner. Next, enable Developer Mode. When prompted, enter 12345 and restart your TV. After the restart, open Apps again and go to Developer Mode. Enter the IP address of the computer or server where your third-party app file is stored. Now allow installation from unknown sources. Once this is done, insert your USB drive that contains the app file into the TV. Open the File Manager, locate the app, and start the installation. Wait for the process to complete and then open the app from the Apps section. So that's basically how you can install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.